This week at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a 2021 Lexus UX250 hybrid, and we thought we'd give you a preview of a few of the repairs on this vehicle. First, let's change the front turn signal bulb on the passenger side. We're going to show you how to take the bulb out on the passenger side. Remove one 10mm bolt from the washer fluid neck, then move the neck out of the way. Reach your hand down behind the housing. Here's your bulb assembly. Turn it and pull it out. There's your bulb. You can pull it straight out to remove it. Next, let's put the front wiper blade into the service position.
To put the wipers in the service position, you'll need to turn the car to the accessory position. Then turn the vehicle off and hold up on the wiper stalk for about 3 to 5 seconds.
Last, we're going to locate the oil drain plug for you. Reach under the vehicle for this panel. Remove 4 10mm bolts from the outside of the panel, then pull it down. Reach up here for the drain plug. Use a 14mm socket on this plug. Earlier this month, we showed you how to take the front bumper off on this vehicle as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and if you want more repair videos and more complete repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.